Are you looking for an ultimate go-anywhere family SUV? The 2024 Ford Bronco Sasquatch has all the capability and comfort you need. But is it right for you? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, research, and then select Ford. At AutoNation, we make it easy to find what you want fast. The 2024 Ford Bronco Big Bend is a base trim Bronco that still loads in some great features, including marine-grade synthetic materials, a large 12-inch display, GOAT modes, and room for 5. The vehicle we're looking at here has been enhanced with the rugged Sasquatch package. This upgrades the wheels and tires to 35-inch mud terrains wrapped around 17-inch alloy wheels. It also includes wider fender flares, position-sensitive Bilstein shocks, and the advanced four-wheel drive system. The Ford Bronco is available with a variety of different engines. The Big Bend comes standard with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder. This is turbocharged for a peak output of 300 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to an optional 10-speed automatic transmission with dual-range transfer case, selectable automatic four-wheel drive, as well as both front and rear lockers. EPA rates economy of this setup at 18 miles to the gallon in town and 17 on the highway. The Bronco is a convertible with a number of different tops available. This Big Bend has the optional hardtop, which is great for reducing cabin noise and protecting passengers from the elements. As a four-door, the Bronco has plenty of room for up to 5 adults, plus all their gear in the back. The back door is a swing-out gate with a full-size spare tire attached for easy access. The second row has MOLLE panels for strapping and accessories, as well as AC and USB power. Up front, the driver gets plenty of seat adjustments, plus 3 stages of heat, along with the dual-zone climate control, a large central display running the latest sync software, as well as an inset digital display in the gauge cluster. The vehicle also supports both wireless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Once you hit the trail, you'll be happy to know that lockers are in easy reach, as well as the turn control function. These are special tools for dealing with more complicated off-road conditions. Climbing up a challenging obstacle? Engage the rear locker. Climbing up a real mountain? Hit that front locker. Need to turn in a very small space? Turn control will lock the inside rear wheel to pivot the vehicle around a corner. But perhaps the best thing about the Bronco Big Bend Sasquatch is that you get all this capability without compromising on-road comfort. That's because this, like all other Bronco trims, features independent suspension up front and a solid axle in the back. So while you still get great articulation for the trail, up front the Bronco tracks smooth and comfortably down the highway. To learn more about the Ford Bronco, visit your local AutoNation Ford dealer. Get started at AutoNation.com today.